Hi folks, welcome to Blackbeard's Detailed YouTube channel. I'm Ross. Probably tomorrow you might meet Josh. It's the weekend and we have this Aston Martin V8 Vantage. It's been dropped off with us for enhancement and a few other bits and pieces. We have a PPF at the sides getting replaced. The tints getting removed from the side. The owner has just picked this up, so there's a bit of work needing done. Headlights are also a riot. They are pretty grim, so they're going to get sanded down and polished back to how they should look, because right now they look a bit pants. So today just going to do the decon, and that's us ahead of the game for the rest of the week. It's red change time. We're absolutely heaving there now. Get that BMW in, which is all finished and will be getting collected tomorrow. We've also got a disco which is parked just over there, which was dropped off this morning, which we're working on at the end of the week. So yes, I'm just going to crack on. I'm going to get done with the decon work, and just like that we are indoors and it's Monday. It is indeed now Monday, and we have the Aston all prepped. So got the PPF off, or the stoneguard off the sides. Customer wanted the Vantage badge off the back, and Josh is now making a start on the interior, and I am going to sort these headlamps out because they're a bit pants and they don't look great at all. So yep, I'm just going to get cracked on and get a bit of work done on these. So that's the end of day number 1 working on the Aston, and tons done. I'm just in the process now of, well, we've removed the tints, but there's still loads of glue marks left. So that window has been done. It's a pain in the backside as the door cards need to come off to get into all the glue. So that one, still to get the glue removed. You can see the kind of hazy outlines there, and yeah, you can see it there when you stick a finger on it, it's leaving the fingerprint mark. So that one is all removed and all ready to get that off tomorrow. Interior is all done and looks spectacular, and the large majority of polishing is all done. So tomorrow, finish the polishing, glass sealant, refinishing touches, get the door cards back on, get the glue off that window, and yeah, that'll pretty much be it. The front end massively tidied up by those headlights. This is sanded all down, polished through all the grades, and then put some PPF over the top of them to protect them not only from stone chips but the UV light, and it should stop them going that horrible way again. Chris has got a DSC in, which is going a lovely fuchsia pink colour. So yeah, that'll look good when it's all done. Nice wee contrasting white, black and pink. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I shall see you tomorrow morning. Well folks, that's this Aston all finished and ready to be collected by the customer. What a pile of work that's been done, and it looks absolutely spectacular. Single stage correction, headlights refurbed, headlights PPF'd, stoneguard put on the lower section of the sills and the rear haunches, window tints removed, all the glue removed from that, window seal, the rear kind of metal work above the back bumper, all painted because it was just all rusted and just distracted from the look of the car. The rest of the car looks fantastic, and your eye just drew to that at the back of it, so we went for that and got that a wee coat of paint. But yeah, it looks absolutely awesome. So thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, leave us a wee like, leave us a comment, let us know what you think about the car, and yeah, enjoy the beauty shots of this Aston. See you later.